Okay, today we're going to be looking at G67 1.282 order of operations. Let's just get going on this, get that squared off a little bit. Start with this first one. I'll do about, I'll probably do 4 of these problems for you. So we don't really have any parentheses here that designate grouping, just the ones that designate the negatives. So I can go to my next thing, which is I can go to my next thing, which is exponents. And I do have this exponents. This here really means a -5 times a -5, because the exponent's on the outside, everything on the inside is multiplied by itself. So this is 25 minus 2 times a -9 plus 6. I just dropped those parentheses because I can write it neat enough, and the parentheses just confuse me. So unless they're on an exponent, I generally drop them. I need them on the exponent to know whether the exponent is inside or out. Next here I got to do order of operations. Let's have to do 2 times 9, so 25 minus, well, this is 2 times 9, which is 18. This is a -2. That's a -9, so this becomes a positive 18 plus 6. 25 plus 18 is my next step. 25 plus 10 would be 35. And 8 more would be 43 plus 6. This is 49. And you walk that guy through. All right, this next one. Again, now over here, I have to do the exponent as well first. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say that that's a positive 16. But just think about this. Let's just say this was the problem. 8 minus 4 squared. How could that, would you ever say that that's 8 plus 16? Because if you're telling me that that's a positive 16, that's what you're saying. See what I'm saying? There's no parentheses here, so we have to do this exponent first. So this is 3 times 10 plus 8 minus 16. All right, so we get rid of this. All right. One more time. Notice the difference. This is a -16. This is a positive. This is positive here because the exponent is on the outside, so you take everything times itself. Here we just do 4 squared, 16, and then we still have a negative. All right, so now I have to do the 3 times 10. That's next. That's multiplication. So we have 30 plus 8 minus 16, and then I've got 38 minus 16. To me, that looks like 22. Double check my math there. Yeah, that's good, 22. All right, same thing, one step here. Oops, I see a double shot. I'm going to take care of that right off the bat. Looks like I have to do the exponent first. You finally, here's your positive 16. So you got -9 plus 8 plus 2 times 16. I do this next, the multiplication. -8 plus 9, -9 plus 8 plus, 2 times 16 is 32. Okay, so now I've just got addition. So now I can work left to right. So this is -1 plus 32. So this is going to be 31. All right, next one here. Ooh. Well, this is new. So what does it really mean? Well, it's outside the bracket, so it's a -3 times a -3 times a -3. Slide that over so you can see. So that's really, it's 27, and it's negative because there's 3 negatives in it. So it's a -27 minus 2 plus 8 divided by -8. All right, well, the next thing you have to do is this division over here. So -27 minus 2 plus 8 divided by 8. Well, 8 divided by 8 is 1, and there's only one negative symbol, so it's a -1. So -1, or if you want to write that, it's this way, -27 minus 2 minus 1. You can write it that way too, it would be the same thing. Okay, so now I can finally do this. This is a -29, because it's the same signs, add and keep, plus a -1. And this is just one more, -30. right, good luck on the last 6.